Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. I personally like sweets a lot, and I like them even more when I get to prepare them easily without any complicated process. So I want to share with you guys one such recipe today, and it's called Rosh Bora. It's a famous Bengali sweet recipe made mainly with Sooji Rava. I'm sure you guys are waiting to try this recipe, so let's get started and check it out. The first step is to make the sugar syrup. For this, to the saucepan, add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Next, add 1.5 cups of water. Mix it well. Once the sugar has dissolved, let it simmer for about 5 minutes till the syrup thickens a bit. Turn off the stove at this point. Next, to make these little pedas, first we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee to a pan. For this recipe, I've taken half cup of semolina, that is Sooji. Roast the Sooji for about a minute or so. It needn't become brown or golden in color. As you roast the semolina, you can see how dry it becomes. I'm adding 1.5 cups of boiled and cool milk. Keeping the flame on a medium-low, mix the milk along with the Sooji. You can see how gradually the semolina gets cooked in the milk. It almost becomes a nice creamy texture. Once all the excess moisture is evaporated, you can see it becomes a nice soft mass. Turn off the stove at this point. Transfer it to a bowl. Once it cools down and comes to room temperature, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of baking soda. Next, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix everything well. Start kneading it while it's just a little warm. So knead it till you get a nice soft palatable dough. Shape it into a nice big ball. Take a little portion of the dough mixture, roll it between your palms. Gently flatten it so you get this beautiful peda. Follow the same method and make small pedas with the entire dough. Pour the prepared sugar syrup into a nice wide bowl. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, gently start dropping the prepared pedas. Fry them till they're a nice golden brown color. Maintain the flame on a medium and fry all the pedas in the same manner. You can see how beautiful the color is. It turns into a lovely rich golden brown color. You don't want to fry it for too long because it can change color very quickly if it's over fried. Wow, look at those. They look so good. The moment you remove it from the hot oil, gently drop them into the sugar syrup. Make sure the pedas are completely coated with the sugar syrup. Leave the pedas in the syrup for about 5 minutes at least so that it absorbs all the sweetness. Wow, look at that Rosh Bora. It looks absolutely delicious. You can see how soft and juicy it's looking already. I'm just garnishing with some nice chopped pistachios and some saffron strands. This is a wonderful go-to dessert that can be easily made at home. You can just eat them in one bite actually. So you can see how soft and juicy they look on the inside. I'm sure you guys can't wait to try them. I'll give you a couple of links for other sweet recipes. You can check them out as well. These delicious Rosh Boras are a great sweet recipe that you can try for your family or if you have any sudden guests who are coming over. Now, this is also a very easy recipe, so you can make it for any special occasions without spending too much time in your kitchen. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.